Welcome back to Windlin Mac Tutorials. In this guide, I'll be illustrating to you guys unable to fix the error that pops up whenever you want to edit your video file in Audacity. So I was trying to edit my audio, that is my screen recording audio on Audacity, and I found this error. Let me just open Audacity, file, open, and I'll go to the desktop, the last file here. So you see I get this error, could not open file, blah blah blah, incorrect file type. Then you click OK, you say try installing FFmpeg. So just click OK, then go to the Audacity, then preferences, then go down to, I think it should be under libraries. Yes, under libraries you see locate, download. You see the FFmpeg library not found, so you click on the download section. Once you click on it, it opens in my browser. Let me bring this tab to my first screen. So I'm using the Mac Stage Manager, so you can see, I can see all my open windows on the left hand side. So don't worry why that is happening. So now that I'm here, I'll just click and look for the download section. So as you can see, the recommended installer downloaded FFmpeg installer from here. Just open this in a new tab, download FFmpeg for Audacity 3.2.4, download for macOS. So I just click on the download for macOS. I'll provide this link for you guys in the description, so don't worry. Just give it a minute to complete the download, then we shall install it. Just double click on it, continue, install, you put your password, then wait for the installation process to complete, close, move to bin. Then now that I've installed it, I'll go back here and try to see if it's locating or not. So I'll just click OK, then I'll try locating it again, preferences, as you can see. So for you to locate it, just click the OK button to quit, or quit preferences, then go back to the process again, click Audacity, preferences, then libraries. As you can see, it is now located, then click OK. Then let us now try importing our video file. File, open, then desktop. Now scroll down to my video, click open, screen recording, importing, as you guys can see. So let me play just a little bit so that you can confirm. So that is it guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to fix unable to import MOV, MP4 or your video files in general to Audacity. So you just have to download the FFmpeg library, then you locate it, you are good to go. So that was it for today's tutorial guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to check out our 30-day series about Hackintosh, where we dive deep into Hackintosh and we break down everything about Hackintosh so that each one of us can understand and can build the Hackintosh with this. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember to stay safe. Signing out.